Hi there, Cher Johnston here. Today's Take a Stitch Tuesday, we're going to do a bullion knot. I will rewrite that. Okay, so it's important to have a milliner's needle. They're also called a straw needle. This is a number 1 milliner's needle, size 1. And the thread I have here is just a pearl cotton, DMC. That's not important. The important thing is they have the right needle. You take a little bite out of the fabric, wrap the thread around the needle. I think I'm going to do 5 times. Then when you pull it down, these wraps should be equal to this distance. So let's do 2 more and see. Yeah, that looks about right. So now I'm going to hold the wraps, make sure that they're even and wrapped evenly. You can tighten them by moving your finger like this, or loosen them up a little bit by moving your finger like that. But make sure that they're even on there. I'm going to put my thumb right over top of them and pull the thread through. Then now you can spread them out a little bit if you need to. Pull nice and tight and go back down through the bottom. Now this stitch, along with any and all of the other ones, you just need to practice. Like, do this stitch, do this knot over and over and over again until you get good at it. That's what I did. I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to go a little bit longer this time because we can do that. I'm going to come up right next to where the thread came out. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that. How's that look? That looks pretty good. Now I want to make sure that they're evenly spaced. Looks a little bit tighter at the bottom there, huh? All right. Now I'm going to put my finger over top of all of them and pull the thread through, and then pull that nice and tight, and then go through to the back. These make nice, pretty little roses and stuff. And that's it for my video, Take a Stitch Tuesday this week. Thanks for watching. Bye!